First, you want to undo the braids that you left out in the front for your baby hair. Once you undo it, you want to take a mini flat iron and you want to curl it downwards towards the client's face or towards your face. Try not to do more than 2 passes. Just curl it really nice and tight on both leave outs. This helps to like give you that nice twirls in your face. After curling it, you're gonna then need edge control. The brand that I use is Even. It's in the pink bottle. I like using this brand because it's extra hold. This is it right here. I'm going to take the smallest amount of this. I'm going to put it right on the hairline because I don't want it all over the hair. I just want it at the very root to kind of slick it down really nice and give it a nice firm hold. You also want to use an edge brush. I prefer using edge brushes that are not super hard because I've noticed that when I use the hard ones, my clients are always like flinching and stuff. So now I use a very soft edge brush so that way I can have more like freedom to like press down if I need to. So you press it down as you see, and then once you press it down to your liking, there's really like no specific way to do it. You can do it like if you want like a very dramatic baby hair, you can bring it out more to the forehead, but my client wanted like an in-between. So you drag it down, brush it down, and then you let the end curl up into just wherever it naturally falls into. And typically if you curl it, like I mentioned earlier, it's gonna curl right into the nape or the head of the client. So you do the same thing on the bottom. You use the brush to slick down the product that you put really nice, and then you can use some like spray to get the bottom part to kind of cooperate with you. The reason why I don't use product throughout the whole thing is because I don't want it to get too cakey, but spray still keeps it very nice and controlled, so you can still have a nice finished look. And when you use the spray, it also locks in that curl for you so that if it's humid or anything like that, your curl is going to be there. Okay, so that's pretty much how I do this. I'm going to let you guys watch the other side without me talking so you can concentrate.